And then lastly, this branch right here excluding that guy right there. But that branch right there, and you see it right there. I'm grabbing hold of it. That's my right subclavian. So I got right subclavian, right common carotid, and left common carotid, all coming off that common brachiocephalic artery. The left subclavian is the only one that comes off separately. All right. On the veins right up in here, there's my superior vena cava. My superior vena cava comes up here and splits into two brachiocephalics, there and there. And each brachiocephalic splits into an external jugular and a subclavian. All right, forget that one right there. That's a branch that y'all don't have to know. But there's the left subclavian, there's the left external jugular. And here is the other brachiocephalic, and if you follow it over, it's going to split into a external jugular right there, and you see the subclavian going on over to the shoulder and arm. The descending aorta, thoracic portion, you can see right over here. Don't confuse, and I'll go ahead and tell you, this is one of the things that a lot of people confuse. Don't confuse that descending aorta, that thoracic aorta, with your esophagus. Yeah. They don't look that different once they're injected with latex. All right? But there's the esophagus, there's the descending thoracic aorta. And the only other vessel you have above the diaphragm that you have to know, pull over the other side over here, and do y'all see that azygos? That blue one right there. There's the azygos, and notice how it's draining those intercostal veins. And I think that's all that y'all have to know above the diaphragm. Is that right? Pulmonary artery, the auricles I pointed out, the aorta, ascending arch, descending, thoracic, the abdominal aortas on down. The subclavian, left common carotid, right common carotid, and the left subclavian. The brachial artery y'all can scratch through because we didn't dissect the muscles, so you would have to go out in there to dissect that. Y'all leave it off. The superior vena cava we did, the brachiocephalics, the subclavian veins, and the external jugulars, and the azygos. That's roughly half the vessels you have to know, and about a third of the organs, a quarter to a third of the organs. We'll do the rest of them next week. Make sure that you got all this stuff dissected before you go, though. All right?